In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide all Facebook photos. So what you need to do is you want to open up Facebook. And if you have posted many photos, but you don't want to delete them, here's what you can do to hide them. So click on the bottom right to open up your menu. Click on Settings and Privacy. From there, you want to click on Settings, then scroll down until you see Profile and Tagging. And make sure that everything you see here is only me, so not friends, only me. So who can post on your profile on you, who can see your other profile on you, tagging, reviewing, etc. Make sure that this is all on only me, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.